Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video. So guys, today's video says it all. I'm going to be doing some back to school video ideas that you can do if you want to, if you're a YouTuber and you want to like find ideas for this back to school season. These are some ideas that you can do. So pretty much, I am not a child, believe it or not. Yeah, I'm not a child, so I am not going to school, but I go to work, pretty much school anyways, because I'm a teacher. So yes, I'm not sometimes mistaken for a child, but I'm not a child. But yes, yeah, so anyways, I do some back to school videos because pretty much, as I said, I'm a teacher, so it's pretty much the same school, but mine normally has kind of a twist to it. But I did think of some back to school videos that you guys, if you're a student or if you're a teacher, videos that you can do and just like tweak them to your liking and to fit you. So pretty much I'll be giving you 20 back to school ideas. So without further ado, let us get into this video. Alright guys, so starting today's video off, we are going to start with the first one, back to school shopping vlogs. People love vlogs overall, and seeing it's back to school season, everybody probably wants to know what you buy or how you go about buying your stuff for back to school. So if you're doing this online, you can actually show yourself buying your stuff online and showing it when you get it and all of that. If you're gonna go on the road, people love to see vlogs of where you go, so that would be a good video idea. The second one is gonna be back to school supplies haul. So when you do your back to school haul, your back to school vlog, you can come now and do your back to school haul. People want to see what you get to go to school. They also want to know what they should be getting to go to school. So it's a good idea for you to make a video like that. So that's a great video idea. The next one is back to school clothing haul. So you do the supplies haul, you also can do the clothing haul. You can also do them together. Anyone is fine, because people love clothing hauls pretty much. Yeah, people love to see clothing hauls. So clothing haul on a whole. So if you're not a student and you want to do like a clothing haul, you do back to work haul, so work clothes that you have bought and so on to go to work. The next one is organizing for back to school. So pretty much this is like organizing your room. Your room needs to be clean and organized for you to start school. So you can do a vlog of you organizing your room for back to school and so on. So yes, you can do a what's in my bag video. So pretty much when you have bought your stuff and your bags and everything and you pack your bag, show persons what is in your bag. So you just do like a bag tour for them. So that's a great idea for back to school. You can do an emergency kit for girls and you can do it for boys. I'm not sure what boys would have in their emergency kit, but I'm sure you might have one, because we all have emergencies. Might not be for like for girls, but you have emergencies. So for girls, a lot of girls, especially the younger ones who are just starting out high schools and so on, middle school, whatever, they want to know what it is that you carry in a emergency kit. So as adults or young adults, older teens and so on, college persons, you can actually make this video so that people, these younger persons, will know what it is that I'm supposed to have in my emergency kit. Yeah. So if you're going to college, you can have a college pack with me vlog. That is a good one. People love to watch college videos pretty much. So college pack with me vlogs, those are always good. You can have a college moving vlog. People want to see which college you're going. You don't have to, well, you don't have to show which college you're going. Just pretty much show you packing out your stuff to go into your college dorm or whatever. Just a vlog showing you moving to college on the day of college, whichever. You can do organizing your college dorm room, so show how you organize your room, your dorm room. Yeah, pretty much. You can do a college dorm room tour. People love room tours, guys. So even if you're at home and you're a child, and you're in middle school or high school, such like that, you can do a room tour. People love to see room tours, so you can do that. You can have a get ready with me first day of school. Yeah, so you're going back to school. Most persons may be going back to school face to face, and we haven't been to school face to face in a while, so get ready with me to go to face to face school would be a great vlog. First week outfit, so show persons what you wear for the first week of school, pretty much. So yeah, that is a good one. The next one I have here is a school morning routine. People love routines. They normally get a good watch time, good views and such. So yes, you can do your school morning routine. You can also do your school night routine. Yeah, so show people what you do in the morning and in the afternoon or in the evening of school, because some people want inspiration. Some people don't know. Some people want to know how you get up at such a time to reach the school at such a time. How do you keep motivated and such like that? So your morning routine and your night routine might motivate them to actually try your morning routine and your night routine, so that they can be productive or whatever like you. So the next one I have is the first day of school vlog. So if you're allowed to vlog at your school, if you're allowed to carry phones and such like that, you can vlog pretty much what you do with permission from the person that you're vlogging, because not everybody wants to be on camera, not everybody wants to be on the internet like you do. You need to understand that. So whatever you vlog, ensure you have permission, if you get what I mean. Yeah. Alright, the next one I have is a locker tour. So if you are at a school with lockers and so on, you can do a locker tour. Here in Jamaica we don't necessarily have that, but if you are not from Jamaica and you have lockers where you are, it is a good vlog to do. So a locker tour. You can also show them you organizing your locker as well. The next one is advice video. So you can give advice to the younger generation. So as an adult, I could give advice to persons in high school, persons going into kindergarten, middle school, whichever school, college. I could give advice to all of them, because I've been through all of that. Persons in college can give to high school and middle school, and in high school can give to middle school and so on. And you can give it to, so for example, you're in 8th grade, you can give advice to 7th grade. So whatever thing you learned while you were in 7th grade or in 8th grade or in high school or in college, you can give advice to that person, because given the advice, you may never know, might change somebody. So yes, advice to the younger generation. This one is apps for school. So there are a lot of apps out there, and people want to know which of these apps are the best. So I'll be doing one of those videos actually. So I'm going to be looking into apps that you can use at school that are very useful for you. So pretty much you can do that video. So you can look at apps that are out there pretty much for school, and look at which ones will be beneficial to others. Not some stupid app. Just tell them about apps that will be useful to them, if it's even one or two. So you can pretty much tell them about these two apps, tell them how it's used, give them advice on how it's used and all of that. So yes, apps for school. The next one is a how to keep organized during school. A lot of persons do not know this, because they struggle a lot on how to keep organized. So you can do a video on how you keep organized while you're at school, and just help somebody out while you're doing you. And then the last video idea I have is a back to school video ideas video like this one. So you can think of other ideas that you have of back to school. If you have more ideas or other ideas, you can do a video on it, because persons want to know video ideas. Everybody is always looking for video ideas. Sometimes you're just in a rut and you don't know what to film, so helping somebody out, yeah, you can help somebody else. So just help somebody out. So you can do a back to school video ideas video. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope at least one of these video ideas you guys will like. I might do another video ideas video later on after back to school is gone. I might do one for like Christmas and just one in general, so videos that people normally do that help their channel. I didn't want to do like those videos, pretty much like videos to help to blow up your channel, because I really don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to find out myself. I just know that a lot of persons during back to school time might do these videos, and pretty much that is why I'm giving you the advice that you can do these videos. However, when you are naming these videos, try to make them a bit unique. So if I do a back to schools haul, try and put something in there that is unique, so it will kind of stand out and kind of get persons interested, so that if me and you do a video on back to schools haul and somebody sees it, which one will they click on? So, and make sure your thumbnails are on point. So yes, that is all the tips I have for you and video ideas I have for you today. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys will subscribe. If you haven't as yet, go ahead and hit the notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.